You are welcome to the very first video on FECUND CBT. So in this video, you will be learning how to register, activate, install, and of course, start using FECUND CBT. So the first thing to do, as you can see the steps outlined there, is to go to fecund.com.ng/CBT. So let's go. You don't need to search for it in Google, just type it directly on your address bar, fecund.com.ng/CBT, and you press the enter key. Here you are, it takes you to the site. So you go direct, you scroll down to where you register. You can download here, but even if you download, you will not be able to activate if you don't have a registered account. So you register an account by clicking register now. And here you enter your details, your full name, that's the name of the school or the center. This is important because your users, your students will see this name appear in the CBT software after activation. So let's say God's Way School. I can enter a username as God's Way, an email address. I can say God's Way at God's Way School.com. If you are using Yahoo, if you are using Gmail, you can go ahead and use it. And then you can enter the phone number and the password, minimum of 6 characters. You have to confirm the password. Remember, your username and passwords are very, very important because you need them to log in and to activate your account. So let's go register. Good. Here it shows that registration successful. Please proceed to payment and software download. So now we are interested in the download. So you can download here by clicking on this button. Of course, the download has started, but I've already downloaded. So, but yours allow it to complete. I've already downloaded to my system. So normally when you download, it goes to your downloads folder. So maybe from this file explorer here, you can see it on your downloads folder. Good. Come to downloads. Here you can see FECUND CBT installer. All you need to do is to double click on it. Once you double click, it will start the installation. And upon completion, the icon would appear on your desktop. Let's see it, so it will appear. You will have something like this on your desktop when the installation is completed. And from here, you can start it by double clicking FECUND CBT on your desktop. Yeah, it takes you to the CBT control panel. First thing you do is to connect. It will try to connect the database server and the web server. These are very important for the application, the CBT to run. So the database is connected and the web 2 is also connected. It will automatically open your default browser and to take you to the user login page. This is the page that your users will be seeing each time they want to log in and take their CBT exams. But for now, we are not going to use this user login page. We are looking at how to activate it. Already it's telling you this application is not activated. Please contact the administrator. You are the administrator as far as this system is concerned. So long as you have registered the account on the fecund.com.ng/cbt website, you are the administrator. So you need to activate this CBT application. So going back to the control panel here, you have to open the admin page. This admin page will enable you to activate the software, the application. So let's open the admin page. Yes, it's opening another tab, which is going to be different from the user login. Yes, this one is called admin login. You can see the difference. This is user login. This is where the user will log in, but this is where you, the administrator, will log in. So ideally, you should be able to log in here, but because the app is not activated, so the first thing you do is to activate the app. Looking at this, you see activate. You click on it, but make sure you are online. It is only when you need to register and when you need to activate that you need to be online. The app works offline, so your users and you, the administrator, even when you are running the server, you just have to be offline. Everything works offline. So for now, we need to activate, so we need to be online. So I click on activate. Here it's asking me for the admin username and the admin password. I told you that you are the admin, you are the administrator. So the username and password that you used when you registered is what you enter. Yes, for me, I use God's way, and then the password I also use something like this, and then you click on activate. Good. It says license activated successfully. License file created and updated successfully. So you are good to go now. Here it shows you the status of your license that is active, that the package type is starter, that the maximum you can use for now is 15 concurrent users, and the expiring date is this. The last update is this. You see, this expiring date gives you a leverage of an allowance of 1 whole month from the time you register. So you don't need to pay for it. You can use it free of charge for a whole 1 month and for 15 concurrent users. So your app is now activated and you are free to begin to use it. Thank you very much.